We begin on Christmas Eve with me, Mark, and my roommate, Roger. We live in an industrial loft on the corner of 11th Street and Avenue B. It's the top floor of what was once a music publishing factory. Old rock and roll posters hang on the walls. They have Roger's pictures on them, advertising gigs at CBGB's and the Pyramid Club. We have an illegal wood-burning stove. Its exhaust pipe crawls out a skylight. All of our electrical appliances are plugged into one thick extension cord that snakes its way out of a window. Outside, a small tent city has sprung up in the lot next to our building. Inside, it's freezing because we have no heat. Smile! December 24th, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. From here on in, I shoot without a script. See if anything comes of it instead of my old shit. First shot Roger, tuning the Fender guitar he hasn't played in a year.
This won't tune.
So we hear. He's just coming back from half a year of withdrawal.
Are you talking to me?
Not at all. Are you ready? Hold that focus steady. Tell the folks at home what you're doing, Roger.
I'm writing one great song.
The phone rings.
Saved.
We screen, zoom in on the answering machine.
Speak.
That was a very loud beep. I don't even know if this is working. Mark, are you there? Are you screening your calls? It's Mom. We wanted to call and say we love you and we'll miss you tomorrow. Cindy and the kids are here. Send their love. Oh, I hope you liked the hot plate. Just don't leave it on, dear, when you leave the house. Oh, and Mark, we're sorry to hear that Maureen dumped you. I say la vie. So let her be a lesbian. There are other fishies in the sea. Love, Mom.
Tell the folks at home what you're doing, Roger.
I'm writing one great song.
The phone rings.
Yes.
We scream.
Speak.
Chestnuts roasting.
Collins.
I'm downstairs.
Hey.
Roger picked up the phone.
No, it's me.
Throw down the key.
A wild night is now preordained.
I may be detained.
What does he mean, detained? Hey, what do you mean, detained?
Ho, ho, ho!
Benny, shit.
Dudes, I'm on my way.
Great fuck.
I need the rent.
What rent?
This past year's rent, which I let slide.
Let's slide, you said we were golden.
When you bought the building.
When we were roommates.
Remember, you lived here.
How could I forget? You, me, Collins, and Maureen. How is the drama queen?
She's performing tonight.
I know. Still a production manager?
2 days ago, I was bumped.
You still dating her?
Last month, I was dumped.
She's in love! She's got a new man?
Well, no.
What's his name?
Joanne.
Oh, rent to my amigos is due, or I will have to evict you. I'll be there in a few.
The power blows!